Hi, Miss. I am Leslie. Welcome to my kitchen. In my fridge, there is fish, there are three apples, there are some bananas, there is honey, there is a slice of cake, there is a chicken, there are three carrots, there are two lemons, there are some eggs, there are two juice boxes, there is water, there is a little, there aren't any potatoes, there isn't any butter, there isn't a pineapple. In my kitchen cabinets, there are two donuts, there is a jar of jam, there is salt, there are three eggs, there is bread, there are two cartons of milk, there is a bag of coffee, there is a jar of syrup, there isn't a box of cereal, there isn't a bag of sugar, there aren't any chips, and there isn't any chocolate.